Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Now, all of you open page number 46, children. Write today's date. Today, let us learn how to subtract a two-digit number from a two-digit number. Now, in this page, we have subtracted the following. First, we have 24 minus 15. Here is the first question, 24 minus 15. From 4 ones, we have to minus 5 ones. From 4 ones is smaller number compared to 5 ones. So, what we have to do here? We have to borrow 110 from the 1/10s place. So, from 2 tens, 110 goes to 1's place. So, here 110 remains. Here 10 plus 4, it becomes 14. Now, from 14 we can minus 5 easily. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers did you open, children? It is 9. Write down 9. And here 1 minus 1 is 0. Write down 0. Now, let's move on to the second question, 43 minus 17. From 3 ones, we cannot minus 7 ones. 3 is small number compared to 7. So, you have to borrow from the tens place. So, from 4 tens, if we take away 1 10, 3 tens remains. Again here, write down 1. So, 10 plus 3 is 13. Now, from 13 ones, we can minus 7 ones. Now, open the fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. So, write down 6 here. Remember that we have to start after 7 and stop at 13. Now, here you have to start after 1 and stop at 3. 1 after 2, 3, 2. The difference we get is 26. Now, let's move on to the next question, that is 56 minus 29. From 6 ones, we cannot minus 9 ones. Here what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. That is, from 5 tens, we have to borrow 1 tens. So, from 5 tens, if we borrow 1 tens, 4 tens remains here and write down 1 here. That is 10 plus 6 is 16. Directly you can write down like that and count after 9 and stop at 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers did you open, children? It is 7. Write down 7 in 1's place. And here also the same method. After 2 you start and stop at 4. 2 after 3, 4. So 2 fingers you open. What is the difference you get here? It is 27. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 44 minus 25. From 4 ones, we cannot minus 5 ones. So here we have to borrow from 4 tens. From 4 tens, if 1 10 goes to 1's place, here 3 tens remains. So 110 is added there and it becomes 14. 5 after, start counting after 5 and stop at 14. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 9. Write down 9 in 1's place and start counting 2 after 3. That means only 1. But directly from 3 you can minus 2. So we get 1. So the difference is 19. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 57 minus 28. Here 7 is smaller number compared to 8. So from 7 ones we cannot minus 8 ones. What we have to do here? We have to borrow from the tens place. From 5 tens we have to borrow 1 10. So 4 tens remains here. And 1 10 we add here, it becomes 17. So now count after 8 you start and stop at 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is 9 fingers we have opened. So write down 9 and 2 after 3, 4. That is 2. The difference we get here is 29. Now let's move on to the last question. That is 63 minus 46. From 3 ones, can we minus 6 ones? No, it is not possible. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. From 6 tens, 1 10 is given to 1's place. So it becomes 10 plus 3, 13. And here 5 tens remains. So now start counting after 6 and stop at 13. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did you open? It is 7. Write down 7 in 1's place. Again you count here 4 after 5. Or you can do from 5 you can minus 4, you get 1. So the difference we get here is 17. Is that clear to you? Now all of you open page number 47, children, and write date. Here we are learning a new topic, that is checking subtraction. Checking subtraction. How to proceed with that? Let me explain to you. Here the heading is subtract the numbers and check your answers with addition. The first question, 62 minus 28. You know to do subtraction. The same procedure we have to follow here. And again what to do in the next step I will explain. First let me do subtraction. From 2 ones we cannot minus 8 ones. We borrow from the tens place. From 6 tens, 1 10 is given to 1's place. So it becomes 12. And here 5 tens are left. Now you start counting after 8 and stop at 12. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers did you open? It is 4. Write down 4 and you start counting here. 2 after and stop at 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5. It is 3. 34. The difference we get is 34. Here what we have to do in the next step down, there are some boxes here. These two numbers we have to write in the boxes and add. See the symbol here, addition symbol. First you write 28, this number 28. Next you write the difference 34 and add, children. Now 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 it is 12. 2 in 1's place, 1 you carry in the tens place. And now here you add 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 62. Here you have to remember this answer, the sum should tally the minuend here, 62. First it was 62, the same number you have to get here. The sum and the minuend should be same. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 32 minus 15. As usual you do subtraction, children. Here from 2 you cannot minus 5, so you have to borrow from the tens place. That is from 3 tens, if you borrow 1 10 here, it becomes 12. Here 2 tens are left. From 12 we can minus 5 now. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers did you open? It is 7. Write down 7 in 1's place. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Now come on, tell me what numbers you have to write here for addition. That is the subtrahend and the difference. These two numbers we have to write down here and add. And we have to get the minuend. 15 minus plus 17. Now add 5 plus 7. It is 12. Write 2 here. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 32. See here 32 is the sum. It is here minuend. The answer should be same. Is that clear to you? The remaining two sums you try. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.